What's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Got a 2011 Toyota Camry. This the one that was blue and black at one time. Little situations happened to it, so the customer wanted to flip it. I'm gonna let him tell y'all a little bit about what's going on. What's going on, man?
What's up? Once again, back at John's shop. As y'all know, I had some work done earlier. Ran into a little situation. He was hating just a tad bit. He decided to take it out on my car. As you see, we flipped it. Orange, went from completely color change to black and blue. So red and orange, red wheels, interior. The trunk is coming soon. So y'all really need to stay tuned for that. I love coming to John's shop. Good work, as y'all see. I shout him out. I like being here. Hopefully he'll give me a job. But yeah, man, y'all want good work, know what I'm saying? Family oriented place. Like, y'all come to Virginia Beach, John Restoration. I came to him twice now. That's all I can say.
Definitely appreciate it. Y'all heard it. They go to Camry. He wanted something to stand out. So this is the colors he chose right here. Team John Restoration put it together. We also did the inside of the vehicle as well. Got the suede going on in there. We got the floor mats coming. He's just now picking the vehicle up for the first time, so he's going to take it and put his little touches on it as far as the detail and all that stuff goes. Like he said, once the audio is complete in the trunk, we got to wrap that as well. Like I said, 2011 Toyota Camry. It's got the ground effects on it, the wheels. John's Restoration. See, we don't do just the old schools or the big bodies. Y'all know we customize any and everything. Contact number is 757-713-2277. Give me a call. Email is johnsrestoration@aol.com. That's JOHNS restoration@aol.com. Give me a call. Shoot me an email. And remember, like I always say, we also do insurance claims as well. Like this one right here was a vandalism. There's a lot of car shows going on in Virginia, and a lot of vandalism goes on when people either beat another vehicle, another club, or whatever the case may be. A lot of stuff goes on. That's why I keep all my vehicles in storage, so I ain't got to worry about that. I keep them in storage. Keep them in storage. I drive them to a show, take them right back home. Put them right back up in the storage. That's where they live at, storage. And I'm gonna say right now, yes, the car is loud, but this is a young man that owns it. It's his personal vehicle. So this is his choice. So all the loud colors, gay colors, whatever may come with this, it's his vehicle, his money, his choice. This is what he wanted. And for those of y'all that respect it, we definitely thank you on that end as well. John's Restoration, like I said, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Contact is 757-713-2277.